How's the garlic fruit?
Like, it's pretty easy for a Vitamix
I've never
to just
seen that
go
before.
Dessert.
How is it?
We don't know yet. It's dessert.
It's dessert.
So why is it called garlic fruit then? Oh, let's film an episode. So amazing, sorry. Oh, can you get me some?
Can you please?
Your garlic fruit? Whoa, what is that? Oh, get a bunch for us? Whoa. Oh my gosh! Your plate is so beautiful.
You gotta keep it from falling on the ground. Come stand up, I guess, full of papayas.
Oh wow. Cool. And a watermelon.
Did you guys open any of these things yet?
Do you have a knife?
No.
That's probably dirty though.
Of course she has.
That
Probably should
needs
get your
to
own.
be sharpened.
It
You want
does.
me to sharpen that?
Did you eat? Why not?
You eat that. It smells like.
You want to try the garlic fruit?
Don't eat the skin.
Don't eat the skin.
Why?
I don't know. It's just on the
I
side.
have a wedgie, but I feel like this is the place.
I
If there's
pick
any
it
place,
all the time.
if there's any place in the world that you can do it, it's here.
No, it's set.
Do what you gotta do.
That's it.
In my diet. Yeah, it's just the same.
Wow, whoa. Wait, signs that say what?
Do what you gotta do. Don't eat the skin.
Oh, I thought they have signs, do not pick your wedgie. I swear that's what I thought we were.
Maintain properly.
Oh, I love my breakfast. Breakfast. Sorry, I need this for the picture. In America. Oh, why do you come to America to talk down about Americans? You're eating our food right now on camera, Brian.
The irony of
Okay, hi. This is not my good side. That's not a good lighting. Hi, we're here at the Woodstock Fruit Festival 2018. You're looking here, right? Yeah. Hi, we're here. Is there anything in my teeth?
I can't believe brown mangoes.
Hi. Oh,
Where's your tray?
I don't fucking know. It's in the fucking one of the 8 cabins. I know.
Can you do that in the night? Let's go outside. Better be a good fruit, let me tell you. It better be good
Hi, we're here live reporting from the Woodstock Fruit Festival 2018. And we're gonna try garlic fruit. Have you ever tried it? Well, guess what? If you eat the skin, you die. So that's how committed we are to the goddamn fruit lifestyle. That's garlic fruit.
Is there any chance I could get one teeny taste of that? They ran out of them.
We'll see. If it's bad, yes. Give me a second.
If
Okay,
it's
here we
just
go.
out. What
Wait,
is
take
it
the
again?
seed out. Garlic fruit.
Garlic fruit.
We probably do, but we don't
And it's
have
from
one.
Miami fruit.
Yes. We don't have
to
it.
use your fork here.
Alright, we'll give you a taste. Hold on. That one looks better.
You sure? Because I mean, if you had that little, it's not. No, just.
Well, recording because we never tried it before.
Oh, you haven't had it either?
No, that's
give
the
me
first time.
give me like a quarter of that, or an eighth, or like a.
Alright, give me a second. Hold on.
When you're ready.
We're filming. Hold on.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm a YouTube sensation. It's okay. Just kidding. Not
I
really.
don't want to talk over.
Okay, hold on. So, I'm getting that. You want that piece?
Alright,
Here, you that. Alright, let's see.
not my favorite.
What the fuck is that? There you go. It looks like a mini avocado. Yeah.
It tastes like, it reminds me of...
But don't eat this. Don't eat the outside. You'll die.
It reminds me...
You know about this? You got some?
Hey, what's going on?
Garlic fruit.
already?
Garlic fruit, but if you eat the skin, you die.
Who told you that?
Say hi to my channel. Say hi to my YouTube channel. That's my friend Tucker.
Jeanette's giving me the eat the skin and you die fruit. Thanks, Jeanette.
You're welcome.
It's okay. It's nothing I won't eat the whole.
Egg,
Who else,
garlic
who else
fruit?
can I share it with? Do you want to hold it to share it?
It's okay. Wait, do you want to try? But don't eat the skin, just the inside, okay? So here, you can give it to
I just
her.
had one.
It kind of just tastes like egg fruit, right?
Egg fruit, I love it. It's not my favorite. I love your face routine.
Say hi to my YouTube. What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, me either.
Oh my god, look at your nails! Oh my god, can you show them your nails? Oh. I have one. I have one little guy. Oh my god! Look at the banana! Eek, thank you. So fruity! Alright, thank you so much for watching. Awa, 1 out of 10, it was a...
2. I didn't like it.
Yeah, it wasn't anything to me either. It was a 1.
1. Wow.
Thank you so much for reporting live from the Woodstock Fruit Festival 2018. Bye. Okay, you walk. I want to take a video of you walking. Wait, can you stop?